sister, I only delivered the message to his mother. He only gave me a message for his mother, nothing more.
So this is it. This is it. So Simon actually forgot that he left a woman in the village. Like, he left me here in the village.
My sister, I am as shocked as you are. Honestly, I am. Because I know how you guys were before he left the village.
Yes.
You guys were like Romeo and Juliet. Wherever you see Simon, you see Nature. You see Simon, you see Nature. You see Nature, you see Simon. You guys were talk of the town. But you know, the most annoying thing now is that I heard he's now a big boy in the city. I'm telling you.
Are you serious? Are you for real?
You're still asking. See, Simon is my friend, which you know, but I cannot vouch for him. I will advise you, you don't cast all your eggs in one basket. You know, once somebody has gone to the city, life change, character change, you know. See, you don't need to think about what I told you. You just have to act.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You are too beautiful to suck for one man, okay? You just have to act. Don't think.
If a change go back, another power go. Better things don't land here. My situation has changed for good. Who could believe this? Onye fusiama afotego, musiamo apolego, lupalo lotego.
The internet guru,
Oscali,
the best in the world.
Oh my God!
Odogu. What's up, though? How's work going?
Good.
Okay.
So what's up? How you doing?
Nothing much. But something big is going to happen now. My nigga, guess what?
Oscar, as you can see, I am so busy here. I can't start guessing anything.
Simon, just guess. Guess.
You carry woman come.
Try be woman again. That's a normal thing now. Try woman is not a big deal.
You win jackpot.
See, observe this. Look at this. Do you know what this is?
Oh, you bought a new car.
Oh my God. Just observe it first. Observe it.
Wow, this guy.
Congratulations, brother. That's your new car. And I'm not joking.
I don't understand.
I'm serious, that's your car.
Wait. What's going on?
Oh, okay. Brother, the credit can come to me. Okay? So Charlie to the Double Prince. He actually bought you this car for being the best fucking hacker, nigga. The best! The hacker! The guru!
For real?
My nigga, you don't know who you are, man. See, if not that you're my brother, huh? Because this one outside is better than my own, I will have taken it.
Mama Ngozi. Hey, that's why you are passing me without greeting. Won't you patronize me today? How can I greet you? You went away, how can I greet you? Mama Ngozi, what did I do? How did I offend you? Mercy. I thought we are friends. Yes, we are friends. But after what happened recently, I heard a rethink. Your daughter have denied my son, my only son, from getting married to her. And I keep patronizing you. How can I continue to patronize you? Mama Ngozi, honestly, I do not know about this. I don't know. How will I deny your son from marrying my own daughter? I don't even know your son. I've not met him. How will I deny somebody I don't know? Your daughter keep rejecting my son. After choosing her among all the girls in this village, all the beautiful girls in this village. Mama Ngozi, please, I am sorry about this. I do not know. But don't worry. Once I get home, I will talk some senses into her head. But it's not supposed to make you see me and pass by now. You shouldn't stop patronizing me. See, I bought new Gario, and you know you like yellow. It's okay. I said I'm sorry. I will talk to her.
Talk sense into her only.
Oh, thank you. Hey, Biko, what will I put for you? Gary, how many penta?
Just one pent.
One
penta of Gary.
Any other thing? Palm oil.
Palm oil.
One rubber.
Manu ninu palm oil.
Okay.
One rubber.
Oh.
You need some tomato.
Mama.
Ekene, what is it? Why are you crying?
Mama, I'm not crying. I am fine. Mama, you're welcome.
You are not crying. And you are cleaning your eyes. Eh? Okay. Chinecherem. What is this news I'm hearing about you rejecting someone who is asking for your hand in marriage?
I don't want to talk about him, Mama.
You don't want to talk about him? No. Are you out of your mind? I'm asking you a question and you are telling me you don't want to talk about him. When will you talk about it?
Mama, I already have a man, which you know. How do you expect me to accept another man?
Chinecherem, the same question I keep asking myself. Why are you stupid? Yes! Why are you foolish at your age and getting older? Eh? What did that young man give to you that made you so loyal? You are waiting for somebody you don't even know when he will come back. I'm asking you!
Enough, please. I know you must be very tired and hungry. Let me go in and prepare something for you to eat.
Chinecherem.
Where's the boss?
He's praying.
Okay. Boss.
Yeah. And you said there was something you wanted us to talk about.
Yes, boss. Actually, it's about Simon. Simon has made a great stride. One that can enable you to retire giantly if you choose to.
So what's the deal?
Okay, the deal is between two world-class football clubs for a player transfer worth over £700 million. Yeah.
Go on.
Okay. He's been able to hack into their website.
Okay.
And he has been following their activities.
So what is the challenge?
He said that is not able to divert the funds. That the website is heavily encrypted. You know.
So?
It has proven to be a Herculean task.
So you suggest we go spiritual?
Yes, boss. We have to go spiritual because we don't have time. And the day is going to be closed very soon.
Okay, then.
Hold on.
Yep.
I spoke to the boss concerning the deal. So he said that we should hang on for at least a week.
A week? Okay, the transfer windows will be shut down for 3 weeks. According to the mail, it states that the transfer windows will be sealed 3 days before the deadline.
Okay, I know this is for own good. You know, we need to carry out some underground work to pave way for you to get it done faster.
Since I won't be doing anything for like 1 week, I think I have to travel down to the village to see my parents. I've not set my eyes on them for some time now. So I really need to travel.
That's no problem. I will talk to the boss so that he can approve your traveling fees. You know?
That's nice.
Grow for life.
Thank you so much.
Oh, get my lighter now. Come on, lighter. Please, the light, keep lighter now. I want you to snap picture.
Hey! Onny Micheal. Sam! Someone came.
Onny Micheal.
Someone, is this you?
It's me. How are you?
Team! My mom!
Oyeka.
Say!
What's up now?
Someone, wait, is this your car?
It's not my car, it's your car.
Someone, you have to go like this.
Of course.
Timo! My
now,
man!
It's been a long time.
Hey!
Where are you going to?
I was actually going to pick something for my wife.
Okay. Hop in, let me drop you.
Yeah!
Come on.
Someone.
Okay.
Man, hey! Can you imagine?
Hey.
Someone came.
Let me take you there.
If a change go back, another power go. Better things they don't land here. My situation has changed for good. Who could believe this?
Yeah. I know they will pay in very soon. You need to know the truth, guy. Nemeka.
Yeah. Nemeka Bobo.
Yeah, he's here. He's here with me.
Him.
He's saying hi to you.
Nemeka.
Yeah, I'll be coming back very soon.
That's it. Adada. Are you back?
Hold on. Come back to you.
How many did you buy?
I bought 2.
No, go and get more now. Go and get more. There's money.
Which one? Two.
There's money. Go and get more, eh?
Okay, sir.
Take.
One bottle now. Why is it?
Buy more.
Thank you, sir.
Not be thank you, sir. It's a buy more.
Buy more.
Okay, sir.
One bottle now. Why is it? Buy more.
Okay, sir.
I said thank you, sir.
How about is keeping your parents now?
My mother will soon be back.
Good. Old man is here.
Papa. Welcome, sir.
What is going on here?
Papa, nothing. I just arrived. Yeah, I just about to say.
Okay. And whose car is this?
Oh, Papa, it's my car. My car. I came back with it.
Yes. My friend is not a big boy. I mean, your son is not a big boy.
Yes, I came back with it.
Yes.
You like it, huh?
Is your mother back?
No, she's not back yet. Papa, you like the car, right?
Is your father not happy you have made it?
No. Walia, Bible is going.
Because a typically Igbo man should be happy that his son made it.
I wonder.
Why is he frowning?
Walia, inwego problem.
The mother should just come back. Him go help me, so I should give us something to eat.
Yeah. Don't worry now. Nah. You're good here. There's money here.
No. Nothing like mother's food. We see all those Maggi food that they sell.
Don't worry.
They sell in those restaurants. Hey.
How are you?
My son is back.
I'm telling you, Mama, I'm a big boy. Okay.
Size.
Come and open the door for me.
Confirm. Why are you pretending as if you didn't see the car our son came back with?
Oh, you mean I should bow down for Simon because he brought a car home? Was I not driving the car when I came for your hand in marriage? So what's so special about a car?
Confirm. I don't know what your problem is. I don't know what your problem is. I don't know why you keep treating our son as if you've not been part of his life all this while. Huh? Anyway, I'm happy, very happy my son came back with a car to prove you wrong. And you're simply jealous. Jealousy?
Jealous.
Jealous.
Me jealous.
Jelom.
You mean I am jealous? Well, special announcement. You must be sure that his hands are clean before you start to celebrate.
Farmer, what's the meaning of that one now?
You heard me.
What's the meaning of that one?
So he brought a car. I should buy for him.
Jealousy, man.
My situation has changed for good. Who could believe this? Onye fusiama afotego, musiamo apolego, lugwalo lotego. Onye fusiama afokwego, mugwamo apolego, dibolo mpitego. Apamma de fomona afotego, if I love apolego, hey lotego. If I smile, apolego,
Hey, Mama. Ekene, how are you?
I am fine, oh.
Yeah.
You are back in the village now.
Yes, Mom, I'm back.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Simon, is this your car?
Oh, yes, that's my car.
You now own a car?
Hey, Fugonian.
Hey,
Yeah.
Hey, congratulations.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. What of nature?
Chineche, I did not meet her at home. When I came back from the market, she was not at home.
Nature is not really an outgoing person. How come she's not at home by this time?
No, I cannot explain that. I met an empty house when I returned from the market. No, yeah.
Okay, Mama. I'm so sorry. When I was coming, I couldn't stop to buy anything for you, like bread or something, you know. But it's okay. Please, if you don't mind, you can manage this.
All this for me?
Yes.
It is all bread.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll be on my way now. When Nature comes back, tell her I was here.
I will tell her.
Thank you.
Mama, bye-bye.
Bye.
Moto. Hey! Wow!
She's lying. Who? Nature's mother, of course. She's lying about not knowing where her daughter is.
Are you saying she's at home?
No. But she knows where she is.
Does it mean you know too? So where is she?
I will not only tell you where she is. I will tell you who she is with.
So where?
My situation has changed for good. Who couldn't believe this? Onye fusiamo afotego, musiamo apolego, lukwalo lotego. Onye fusiamo afokwego, mukwamo apolego, bibolo pitego. If I laugh,
good day, sir. You sent for me.
Yes. Please, sit down.
Thank you.
So, have you received your monthly entitlement?
Yes, I have. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You know, the boss has picked a very special interest in you.
Thank you very much.
Ever since you came into this organization, all your accounting have been on point.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. The boss will be hosting some of his friends in the club this weekend for his birthday party. And he will be needing some classic, beautiful girls like you.
But sir, where do I come in?
Good. That is a good question. You are a youth couple, right?
Yes, sir.
And I believe you have beautiful friends.
Yes, I do.
I want you to bring your friends.
Sir, I don't think my friends will fancy coming to such a gathering.
Okay. Here's the deal. For every girl that attends the birthday party, we'll be going home with a sum of 200k each as thanks for coming.
$200k just to attend a birthday party. Sir, Is it just a party or party after party?
No. It's just for the birthday party. Now let me shock you. You know you've been a good girl, right?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You will go home with a sum of 1 million naira. Mm-hmm.
1 million naira for me?
Yes.
Sir, how many girls do you need?
And how many can you afford to bring? That's my car.
Hey, don't talk like that now. I negotiated with these girls. 100k each on top each girl head. See, if we continue like this, we will leave this youth corp rich. I mean, very rich. Just imagine setting up 50 girls from our platoon. Come on, babe. Now you talk this thing. We don't hammer.
Frances, you are not understanding what I'm telling you. You're not understanding me. This guy wants you to pimp these girls for him. Maybe he wants to distribute them to his friends. What if something bad happens to them? Do you know that we can go to jail for it?
Ella, why do you like to dwell on the negative side? Come on, this is the big city. This is what big girls do. See, you're not going to spoil this thing for me. We are going and that's fine now. Everything you'll be putting in babat in, attaching it to negative, bad, everything. I beg, calm down.
It's not funny. The phone is ringing.
I forgot how this one.
Nature! Nature!
Simon.
Nature, what is going on? What is this?
What are you doing here? And when did you return?
And what are you doing with him? What sort of stupid position is that? Can't you see she's my fiancée? Are you the only blind fool in this village that do not recognize that nature is my wife to be? Are you mad? Are you asking if I'm mad? Are you stupid? Simon, I want this to end now! Nature, come on, let's go. What? Are you okay, Simon? Are you okay? Can't you see she's my wife? Are you alright? Leave her alone, Simon.
Let's go off me.
Yesterday, and you're challenging me.
You are challenging me.
You're a cowboy. I'm not playing. Leave that girl. Simon!
What is it?
Mama, warn this boy not to come near nature again. Because she's my wife. You are warning me. I'll kill you. Simon, you are playing with fire. Simon, you are playing with fire. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Simon, you are playing with fire. Eh? Mama, I'm respecting you. Warn this boy. Warn this boy. Simon, you got don't bam bam bam. Popo give me key. Popo give. You managed to make small change. Okay. Nature. Simon, you're a small boy. Nature. Mama, wait. Simon.
What is it? Why are you crying? Anyway, Simon was here earlier on. He came to look for you. Did you see him?
You told him where to find me?
No, can I do that? I did not tell him. Maybe Onyeka did. Is that why you are crying?
Mama, what are you even talking? Like, this means trouble. I left them fighting each other.
Fighting? Why would Simon go and fight in Dubisi now? For what? He made his choice when he abandoned you in this village and went to the city. You don't...
Why did you do this to me?
Simon, you did this to me. Yes. You stopped communicating with me the moment you left the village.
Neche, I did not communicate with you just for 3 months. But I've been communicating with you before now. Is that enough time to jump into another man's hand?
Simon, 3 months. Just 3 months, right? But there you were communicating with your mother, sending her gifts. What about me? You totally forgot about me. So, what were you expecting me to do?
Excuse me.
Keep waiting for a man that forgot about me the moment he stepped into the city?
Let you wait. What gift are you talking about?
Simon, you brought this upon yourself, so deal with it.
Young woman, what? You cannot abandon me like that.
Now. Nadia, your food is ready. Eat it.
Mama, I told you I'm not hungry. I told you I'm not hungry.
I don't understand. Is there somewhere else to eat apart from here? Huh? Now calm on, no down. Nature will come around. Calm down.
Mama, yes, I know it was my fault staying away for a long time without communicating her. But that's not just the reason that she should just jump into another relationship without letting me know.
You're right. Oh my dear, you should have at least sent her a message, eh? Then when you sent me those gifts.
The gifts? She said the same thing.
Onyeka came here with some gift items now that you sent him to bring for me.
I never sent any gift to you through Onyeka. I never did.
Not once, not even twice.
What?
Where are you going to? What about the food now?
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Hey.
Who gifted my mother with those gifts? and told her I'm the one who gifted her.
Would you mind to
My friend, answer my question!
Okay, just calm down. Listen, it wasn't my idea.
Then whose idea? Whose idea?
It was Ndubisi's. You see, Ndubisi wanted your girl so badly, and he made me play a part in it.
Wait. What are you saying? What's going on?
Onyeka, what I ask from you is simple. Help me get nature, and I will in turn give you this contract. Listen, I have big contracts. After this one, that will better your life.
This is going to be difficult for me, Andy. Trust me, it will. Simon is my friend. I mean, our friend.
Do you want the contract or should I give it to another person?
No, I want the contract. I do. Don't give it to another person. I want the contract.
Do what I ask you to do.
That was sent to your mother was meant to make nature feel bad. I mean, make her feel like you've forgotten her. Okay, so that Ndubisi can now step in. See, I'm telling you this now because even the promises Ndubisi made to me about giving me a contract has not even fulfilled it.
Can you listen to yourself?
That boy be just an idiot, use them for nothing.
Can you see how stupid you are? You pimped nature away just because of one stupid contract from one idiot that made it to spoil our friendship. You betrayed our friendship because of that same idiot that made you feel bad because you went to the city and made one small change. Nika, I am disappointed in you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? You know how things are in this village.
Because of one stupid contract, you pimped nature away.
I just needed money to keep family, body and soul together. Yeah?
I'm disappointed.
Simon, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. What kind of nonsense is this? Ndubisi, I told you what contract you want to come for? Eh? Just use me for nothing.
Neche, it's me, your love, Simon. Have you forgotten the way we used to be? Eh? Neche, I wasn't the one who sent the gift. It was Onyeka and Ndubisi who planned those things just to put me aside. Okay?
Wait.
Neche, please, we need to come back together. Okay?
You mean it's late? Like, it's too late.
Neche, how? You need to leave that guy. Please.
Simon, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant for him.
You what? I hope it's not true, right? I hope you're just joking.
I'm not joking. Simon, I'm sorry. Simon, I'm sorry.
Dealing with him, he will know who I am. Oh, look at that, see this idiot. Look at that idiot here.
That's not acting not come on. Let me kill you. Come on, what the hell? Want me to kill you? What the hell, Simon? You want to try what the hell? You want to die? Okay. Come on. You're running. You're running.
You didn't have to go fighting with him now. What if he hurts you? Eh?
I must deal with that bastard for what he did to me.
My dear, nature made her choice. She made her choice.
They deceived her, ma. They deceived her.
Look, I'm a woman. If nature wanted to wait, she would have waited. After all, some men do leave their spouse here and travel abroad. They come back and meet them undefiled. Get on opposite. Huh? I didn't bring you up this way to start engaging yourself in an unnecessary strife. Eh?
Mama, I must deal with Ndubisi.
You have to forget about nature, please.
No, Mama, wait. I must deal with Ndubisi for backstabbing me. Ndubisi backstabbed me. I must deal with him, oh.
You're not hearing what I'm saying. Simon!
Mama, Simon. It's many small. Oh, well, I'll truck it once I get it.
I hope I have made myself clear.
Let me call you back.
Papa, I will do it. Simon, you dare not. You dare not touch this house. If you want to erect a building, go out there, buy a land, and build your house.
Papa, what is your problem? What has come over you? Huh? I want to do us good. I want to do something that will benefit us. That will make everybody happy. You're the one who pushed me. And I went out there to make money. Now I'm back to put up something that will make everybody happy. Papa, you still do not appreciate it. What else do you want from me? What do you want from me, Papa?
What is this? I made my point. And I'm saying it again. If you want to erect a building, go out there, buy a land, and build a house. But as for this place, it is a no-go area.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere. This is my father's land, and I will do whatever I want on this land.
It is not your father's land. This is my land.
Then you're my father, and I will soon take over.
You mean your father refused giving you land to build on?
Mama, he said I should go and get my own land and build.
What does a farmer want to do with all the land he has scattered across the community?
I don't know why Papa is behaving this way. I don't know why he's treating me this way. Is there something I should know?
My dear, forget your father. Forget him.
Mama, what do you want me to say? The attitude Papa is giving me, his behavior towards me and all that, it keeps me thinking. So I want to ask, is he my real father?
My son, how could you be asking me such a question?
Mama, I know you cannot lie to me. I know you cannot lie to me. There is something fishy about this whole thing. I believe there's something going on between you and Papa that no one wants to talk to me about it. Mama, I want you to tell me the truth. I want to tell me what is going on. Because if I leave this house, I am not going to come back again. Mama, you don't want to talk to me.
Has he got into that? Huh? Doesn't got into that now.
Okay.
Oh yeah, wait. Sit.
Mama, talk. I'm listening to you.
First now. Sit down. Sit down, my son. Sit down.
Mama, I'm listening to you.
My dear, his anger is not with you, but with me.
And how do you mean?
30 years ago.
Baby, darling, how are you? I got you some drugs. Wait, come here.
I don't want to take drugs.
If you don't take drugs, how will you get better? Come.
I don't want to take drugs.
Honey, please. Darling, you have to take it easy. Wait, let me help you. Easy.
Oh.
Easy. Sorry, sorry.
Sorry. I don't want to take drugs.
Baby. Don't worry, you'll be okay. That's some water. Yeah, please take it now. God, what is this now?
I told you, I don't want to take drugs.
You can't get better if you don't take drugs. You're getting worse. Darling, I can't sit here and watch you look like this now. You know what? First thing tomorrow morning, I'm taking you to the hospital.
Okay,
continue.
just
Stop. Just relax. Let me go and feed something for you to eat. Yeah, I'll be back.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
I'll be back, yeah?
Okay.
It's alright. It's okay. Now tell me, who is my real father? Mama, I've had enough. I've had enough.
Come now, please, come. Come back, please. We can settle this as a family.
Mama, I said I've had enough. I am done.